In this task, we will be able to explore vertical and horizontal asymptotes. On graphs, we already know what a vertical asymptote looks like from last task, and a horizontal asymptote is the same except it moves from left to right. Look at the differences below. So we can see the vertical asymptote is what we were doing last task, and it's that up and down line, and we denote it with x equals and the number that it goes through, right? Now a horizontal asymptote, we can see goes from left to right, it's a straight line, and it is actually denoted with y equals a number. Additionally, right, we can have a situation where there's a horizontal asymptote and a vertical asymptote in the same graph, okay? So we can see these curves get really, really close to approaching both asymptotes, okay? So we can definitely have both in the same graph. Now, like I was saying, a function can have only vertical asymptotes, only horizontal asymptotes, or a mixture of both types of asymptotes. We will be identifying them in the problems below. So, example 1. We can see, okay, I see a pretty obvious horizontal asymptote right here. And that is going to be at y equals 3. So horizontal asymptotes, we want to use y equals and the number that it goes through. In terms of vertical asymptotes, I don't see any, right? Because this curve is getting pretty close to, it's probably going to touch that line, all right? And it's probably going to keep on going forever in that direction. So for vertical, I would say there's none that are apparent. For example 2, we can see, I'm going to start with horizontal. The horizontal asymptote is going to be right here at y equals -1. And then our vertical asymptote, we have 2 locations for that. That's why there's 2 lines there. The first one is right here at x equals -2. And the second one is over here, whoopsie, at x equals +2. So you kind of just have to eyeball where these asymptotes are located. Last one here, example 3. So I'm going to start with the horizontal asymptote. It's looking like it's up here at y equals 4. Always remember you have to do y for horizontal. And then my vertical is going to be right down here. Remember, for vertical, we always use x equals 2. And then I'm done.